elevenlabs subscription is so expensive. I mean, look at these prices. Who can afford that subscription? It contains AI voices and I want it. I gotta figure out how to get elevenlabs subscription for free. Let me just search up on Google and see if I can find anything. Okay guys, after hours of searching and going through so many scam video tutorials and fake TikTok guides, I finally found the working method to get elevenlabs subscription for free. His method won't require any subscriptions either. I found a way to get an insane amount of money for free on Cash App or PayPal or Amazon gift card. Let me explain. While I was scrolling on Reddit, I saw someone post this thread. They said they were able to get elevenlabs subscription for free. At first, I thought it was a scam because usually these kinds of things are super fake. But then I checked the comments and others were vouching and saying the method worked for them as well, so at this point, I started to believe it more. What I did was I messaged the person directly and asked them for more directions, and they responded and told me the entire method, and now I can share it with you guys. So basically, you just have to go to this site called taskgain.net, and on there, you will be able to complete some tasks and earn $750 to $1,000 that will be sent to you. So for starters, head over to the website. But guys, you must do it on a mobile device, otherwise it will not work. Then once you're on the site, you see the button that says Claim Now. Just click that button, and that will take you to the offer page. So now, what we have to do is complete 5 of the offers from this list, and then our money reward will be sent to us. Now guys, your offer page might not look the exact same as mine, and if that's the case, that's totally fine. Just complete the entire questionnaire that you see. But back to my list, so as you can see, each offer has instructions on it. For example, I will click like the Monopoly Go one. It's telling me to do a task in the game and I'll receive 125 just for that one. So it's simple. You just read the instructions, do exactly what it says, and you will start getting your rewards. But to receive the full reward, you must do 5 of the offers from the list. So now I'll do another one like this My Cash Quest one. It's saying I have to do some offers in it, and I get paid for it as well. So I will just follow the instructions and do everything it says. But guys, I don't want to make this too long, so I'm gonna just fast forward to the part where I finish and show you guys proof of me receiving my funds and money reward. Okay guys, it took a little bit of time, but I had fun doing it as I was just chilling in my room while eating McDonald's, so it went by pretty fast. So as you can see, I'm back on the list and it has a pop-up saying, Offers successfully completed, and now it's asking for my cash tag or PayPal email. So I'm going to enter my cash tag, and let's see if they're going to actually send the money. Okay, let's open my cash tag. Wow guys, look, I just received $1,000 from the site. That's so amazing. So now I can take this money and use it for whatever I want. In this case, we will be getting elevenlabs subscriptions for free. It's absolutely amazing. So you guys must try this out. Sign up on taskgain.net today and start earning.